Hey guys, it's your girl Shalicia coming at you with a new Boxy Charm unboxing. This one came earlier than usual, but the video is still going to be out a little late because I will have no time to edit it because I'm heading to work right now, as per usual for all my videos. But this month is the February Boxy Charm. I haven't opened mine yet, so I just got it in the mail on today's Saturday. So I got it out of the mail on Thursday. Usually I don't get my box until after the 20th of the month, so I was pretty happy with getting it prior to that. I am gonna jump into it real quick once I pull up the card. From the videos I've been seeing from other YouTubers, some got their card, like their inside card, and some didn't. I got mine as an email, so I'm gonna pull that up real quick just in case I don't actually have a card, because I didn't open it, that email, so I didn't want to know what was in it prior to the box. Oh, so it actually looks like I don't have the card, and it's not packaged like it usually is. Usually it has like a foam around it, but there's no real actual makeup in here, which is cool too. There is one makeup item. So this month is the Adore collection theme. That's what it looks like on my phone. It's just like the pink and white because it's February, Valentine's Day. You know the drill. Boxy Charm is $25 American. Every month you can do the premium box, which I honestly don't know the price because I haven't looked into it. Because if you followed me or you've been following me, you know I have a shopping problem. So even if I was paying that extra money a month, I would still be spending my $200, $300 a month like a crazy person because I'm impulsive and I can't help it. But that's besides the point. But I'll link it all down below if you're interested to check out Boxy Charm if you already haven't checked it out. Super excited for next month. And by the way, it's March. That'll be our Boxy Luxe. And yeah. So anyways, getting into this box. The first thing I am pulling out is the Becca Ultimate Coverage Foundation. It's a 24-hour wear in the color Maple. If y'all saw my January box, I'll link it up above if you haven't. I had let you guys know I was able to pick one item from this month, and I picked the Ultimate Coverage Foundation in the shade Maple. I have a foundation wear test video for this foundation. I'll link it up in the card above as well. I had gotten this as a deluxe size from Sephora last summer, and I really enjoyed it. And based on the other items that was able to pick for this box, this one was one that I was like, you know what, I'd use this. Really into foundation lately, so especially like with this like flawless skin kind of vibe going on for me anyways. So I grabbed that. This foundation retails for, these prices are in US dollars by the way, for $44, which is standard. It's a 1 fluid ounce. It's a full coverage, long wearing foundation, 24-hour, water transfer resistant, but it's breathable with a natural finish. It's that. I'll link it up above, like my little mini review on it. Super nice. Then there is the Evio Skin and Aurora refreshing cleansing hemp wipes. These are $10. I personally never heard of this brand, but you know, good face wipe is always handy. It comes with, doesn't tell you how many it comes in here. Doesn't say, or I don't see it. Oh, it has 15 wipes, and it has cannabis sativa seed oil in it, and it has it's a balancing multifunctional anti-fatigue kind of wipe. They're biodegradable. Yeah, and it helps remove waterproof makeup and keeps your skin hydrated. So these will be really nice to try out. Then there is the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. These retail for $16. I've tried these before. Super enjoy them. They're currently on my list to get the next time Sephora has a VIB sale. So seeing I got this, I might not have to now. These are $28 though. Sorry, aren't $28. There's 28 pads in here. Quite enjoy them. Super brightening on the skin, I find. It's a daily one that you can use. It helps smooth out your texture as well. So really like these ones, so I'm super excited for those. Then in the box is the Ciate Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. Gotta get it open without breaking a nail. Oh, this is looking hard. So this coconut setting powder retails for $22. It is a translucent powder to lock in your makeup for long lasting wear. It looks like it has a coconut fragrance. That's a light one to take you back to your beach vacay every day. It's finely milled, lightweight, for setting your makeup basically. Creates a crease-free, soft focus finish. So, and no flashback it says, which is pretty cool. So I can't wait to try it out. It'll be in like rotation, hopefully soon. Cause I've been using my Kat Von D Lock-It translucent one, but I'm like trying to finish it up. I've had this sample for like deluxe size forever, and I'm making a nice dent in it. Like a nice dent forming, like halfway finally. Like progress is being made, you know. So I'll throw this into rotation with some other ones. Oh, that's my alarm. Gotta go for work. Then the last thing in the box is the Luxie Beauty Complete Sponge Set. It retails for $40. Has 3 sponges in there. There's like a detail blender, I think, precision blender, and the powder blender. Like I said, it retails for $40. I quite enjoy the Luxie brushes. So yeah, I'm guessing this is like it's the Baked Contour Detail Set, I guess. They're pretty soft. Like, I like the shape of this one. This would be nice. You know? Yeah. So I'm super excited to try this out. So those are the items that came in this month's Boxy Charm. I'll link the playlist up above if you're interested to see what other items I've gotten in Boxy Charms previously. Subscribe so you can see what I'm getting in the March Luxie box. Super excited. On Monday, which is the 17th, they're going to release so I can pick an item. So hopefully I'll have some good choices to pick from. I'm super excited to see my March Luxie box. And yeah, follow me on all my social media. Everything will be listed down below. And I'll see y'all in another video real soon. Bye, y'all.